Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, especially I would like to show you how to make your PC or laptop run faster without any software. Yes, I will show you 4 tricks. If you implement, then definitely your computer will be faster than previous ones. First is of course run and clean temp and percentage temp. The second is your clean up disk for C drive, and third is MS configuration boot, and fourth one is a service. So one by one I will tell you how you will implement and how you will make a faster your PC or laptop. So firstly I will come run. Just hold the button of window and press the R. You will come on here run. Then you have to write here percentage temp, and then you have to clean up these ones. So just press the Control A and Control D. And we will go for delete. Now once again I will go for skip now this ones. So now see, this one I have cleaned. Once again I will come here and I will write here TEMP and I will enter. Now I will clean this one also. So now it has deleted. Now I have to go for disk cleanup for C drive. So just I will open my computer and I will click on local disk C and I will go in a property, and after coming on property I have to here click on disk cleanup. Now here I have to select all, and then I have to go for clean up files. So guys, see, it's cleaned. Now I will go for OK. So it's asking, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Yes, I will go for delete. So now see guys, it's cleaning up totally C drive. So now I cleaned up C drive. Now what have I to do? Now I will close it and I will press the start button. Yes, I will press the start buttons and I will write here MS CONFIG micro config, and I will click here. Now see here, firstly I will come on boot and here I will select 3 seconds and I will go for apply. Now I will come here on service and I will check that unnecessary service is enabled. Then I will stop off that. I will try to make a disable of that. So here we will check one by one here. Now see here, facts, this is unnecessary. So window event long, This one's also is unnecessary, but however leave it here. Google update service, this is already stopped. Now at the present time, Microsoft Store installations, that is working. So here I will check natural authentications, it has already stopped. Now running is network list service, so I will keep it. Internet connection sharing, I will keep it enable. So telephony, that has already stopped. Cellular service also stopped. Now update orchestrator service, that is running. So here I will keep running that. Here window update magic service, it's already stopped. So according to your choice, you can select here, and after select, if you would like to see, if you deselect, then you have to go for yes. After deselecting, you have to here clearly mention, see, note that some secure Microsoft service may not be disabled, but however, of course, you can enable and disable. After selecting, if you enable, then these all will be enabled, and after deselecting, after selecting, if you disable, then all will be disabled here. So see, these all are unnecessary for me, so just I will deselect. These ones and these ones and these ones, these all are unnecessary, so these I will keep for selections. And I will go for enable all. So now let me check. See, now it has stopped. See, this one, these all have been stopped now. Once again I will check it. Yes, if unnecessary applications services enabled, thus I have to stop. So just inspect according to your choice and select, and then I will go for apply, then I will go for OK. Now it will ask you to restart, so I will go for restart at the moment. So after restarting, definitely you will get yes faster PC or laptop while you're operating than previous ones. So if this video has been benefited to you to enhance the speed of your PC or laptops, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels, and please leave the comment below the comment box that how did you like yes this video tutorial. So thank you guys, have a great time.